You're asking yourself, what do we really know about the Galaxy S9? Well, we know more than we did 2 weeks ago. The Korea Herald has added to the speculation of the Galaxy S9's improved iris scanning technology with some new details. According to the website, citing a source familiar with the matter, the Galaxy S9 iris scanner's lens will be upgraded from 2 megapixels to 3 megapixels, helping it better identify users' irises. This will help the S9's scanner in very bright or very dark environments, when users are wearing glasses or when they're moving their eyeballs around. Additionally, the Korea Herald reaffirmed rumors that this iris scanner would operate faster on the S9 compared to previous iterations. Now let's talk about a release date, and many of you are going to expect that it's at the Mobile World Congress in late February or early March, and that still may happen, but a report from VentureBeat suggests that we may see something as early as January. According to VentureBeat, Samsung's upcoming flagships are, quote, scheduled to make their first public appearance at CES in Las Vegas in early January. But the company is still expected to hold an unpacked event in March where the two handsets will be officially announced. It's also believed that the two devices will come with the same curved displays as the Galaxy S8 series. This means that we'll see a 5.8-inch and 6.2-inch Super AMOLED panels with QHD plus resolution with an 18:9 aspect ratio. If you remember, the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus are identical except for screen and battery sizes. Things may be different when it comes to their successors though. The Galaxy S9 Plus is said to have 2 GB of RAM more than its smaller brother, 6 GB versus 4 GB. It may also feature a dual camera setup, while the S9 should only have a single shooter on the back. Rumors also claim that the camera could capture video at 1,000 frames per second for those super slow-mo shots. But there's no word if this applies to both models just yet. Both devices are believed to be powered by the same chipset. They should come with either an Exynos 9810 or the unannounced Snapdragon 845, depending on the region in which you live. The report also mentions 64 gigabytes of storage, a microSD card slot, and a new location for the fingerprint scanner. But if you were hoping for that fingerprint scanner to be embedded in the display, maybe not. The word on the street is that it is just not ready for prime time yet, but they are gunning for the Galaxy Note 9. Now, what about design? Well, we do expect them to look very similar to their predecessors, with a few exceptions. Sam Mobile reports the handsets will have a smaller bezels below and above the display. The screen body ratio could be as high as 90%, which is roughly 6 percentage points more than the S8 series. This will make the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus even more compact, although the difference won't be huge. Except for the smaller bezels, we don't expect anything to change up front. But on the back, that is different due to the fingerprint scanner's new location. The backs of the two smartphones won't also look identical because of the S9 Plus's dual camera setup. Images of the two devices haven't leaked yet, but a fan-made render based on the latest rumors gives us a good idea what the Galaxy S9 Plus could look like. Now let's talk about price, and it's going to be a lot. The S8 and S8 Plus launched at $725 and $825 US, making them more expensive than their predecessors. Even though the S9 and S9 Plus likely won't offer a lot more than the S8 series, rumors claim they will come with higher price tags. Crazy world we live in, when a decent gaming laptop is less than one of the major flagships. Crazy world we live in. What do you guys think of those rumors and leaks? Remember, big pinch of salt with all this stuff. Some of these rumors may be true. Samsung can change their mind. Some of them may not be true at all, but we have gotten really good, dang good at paring down these rumors and really sharing the ones with you that we believe are the most credible. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below or on Twitter. Now, my audience is smart. So smart that sometimes you're inspired by a business idea, and then you try and get the name of that business in a domain name. And your next prospective customer is searching your business name, and they assume you have the .com. And if you don't, you're giving your business away to the one who does. That's the power of a .com. Now, why is that exactly? Well, no domain name extension tells your story with the same degree of trust as a .com or .net domain name. .com and .net domain name extensions inject credibility into your online presence. And who doesn't want to be credible? And don't forget, you get 15% off when you use our coupon code ANDROID. When you think domain names, think domain.com.